ये है, ठीक है। जो आपका सुपरफिशियल सरफेस है दैट कैरी द सेंट्रल बॉडी, क्या होता है उसमें सेंट्रल बॉडी। जो आपके डीप इनसाइड द cortex there is a myelinated nerve fiber, there is a myelinated nerve fiber. You know the small unit of nervous system, that is neuron, that is neuron, okay. Neuron having cell body and nerve fiber, that is axon, okay. That axonated fiber is deep inside the cortex and the cell body at present in the superficial portion. You can see in this brain, white matter inside and gray matter is outside. In the spinal cord, you will see the gray matter is inside and white matter will be outside. ठीक है? This is superior cranial fossa, this is middle cranial fossa, this is cranial cavity, and this is posterior cranial fossa. ठीक है? Also called the tentorial surface. Tentorial surface for this is for the this depression is by the cerebellum. This depression is by the cerebellum. Okay? Here will carry the temporal lobe. You can see the this fissure, this long fissure. यहाँ this long deep median fissure. This is called median longitudinal fissure. Median longitudinal fissure. Okay? Here you can, when we cut this fissure with the help of scalpel, ठीक है, you will see the white matter. You will see the interconnection of white matter over here. Here is a corpus callosum. Corpus callosum. Corpus callosum is made up by the white matter, which is interconnect the two hemispheres with each other. With each other, the corpus callosum carrying the white matter interconnected the two hemispheres. ठीक है? This is responsible for the interconnecting the two hemispheres. अब there is a you can see the covering over the brain. You can see a light whitish type of covering. Have you see the whitish? You can see here is no covering is here, but here is a covering, little covering you can see. These coverings are called meninges. These are meninges, which is covering the brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord.